sandwich. You give this place a good burn.
Man, I ain't driving down there. I mean, how far is it? Yeah, shit, man. We get in there and fall off a fucking cliff somewhere. What? How? I was just jacking with that guy. How y'all doing? Don't fall in the Rio Grande. Probably one of them body parts from the drug cartel. Yeah. Hey, smile! Turn around!
Please get this message to my friend that I'm alive and well down in South Texas. Haven't spent all my money. I'll be broke tomorrow, but I don't really care. Some things that money won't get. Old Jerry Jeff was right about the broken spoke. You can drink and dance and have loads of fun. If your timing is right on a Friday night, you just might catch Gary Peanut. And you can go home with the armadillo. Country music from Amarillo and Abilene. Well, I really hate leaving South Texas. Gotta be at work on Monday morning. Oh, what the hell, I might as well stay. 'Cause I'm alive and well.
How was the ham sandwich?
South Texas. Haven't spent all my money.
You give this place a good burn.